the Smart Gadgets presents the 5 best soldering iron for electronics. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. Delcast 30-watt precision tip soldering iron. If you're learning how to solder, Delcast's 30-watt precision tip soldering iron is a great tool for learning and practicing techniques and methods. Beginners will particularly like the fine tip, which provides a high level of accuracy for DIY projects like soldering circuit boards and LED lights. The lower wattage is another feature that works well for novice users, since there's a much lower chance of accidentally overheating and damaging components. Users generally appreciate that this iron doesn't get too hot, which makes it perfect for lower temperature applications like circuit boards and DIY projects. Coming off our list at number 4. Weller SP25 NKUS 25 watts soldering iron kit. The Weller SP25 NKUS soldering iron offers several useful features, including a trio of LCD lights that can help illuminate details as you work. It also includes several different tips, which provides a lot of flexibility especially for an inexpensive soldering iron. It also works with a lot of existing Weller soldering iron tips, so if you've used one of the company's products before, you can use some of the same parts in an updated iron. Reviewers say the SP25 NKUS heats up to full temperature very quickly, with very little loss of heat. They particularly like that it's a 25-watt iron, which doesn't overheat electronic components. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Stahl Tools SSVT Variable Temperature Soldering Station. Next up on our list is a soldering iron by the brand Stahl Tools. Okay, so this product may not be a bestseller like the previous 4 products we mentioned, but that doesn't mean it isn't built with great quality. In fact, the Stahl Tools soldering iron is a product certainly built with high quality features and even comes at a great price. The soldering iron gives you the ability to adjust the temperature to your preference with its easy-to-turn knob feature. The soldering iron ranges in heat temperature settings starting at 302°F to 842°F to match your specific soldering needs. This reliable soldering iron is also ETL certified for safety and performance. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Sewin Full Set 60-watt 110-volt electric soldering iron kit. The soldering iron is exceptionally portable and compact, thanks to its carrying case, but it also comes with a cleaning sponge which holds the soldering iron to ensure safety and convenience during usage. This handy soldering iron works at adjustable temperatures ranging from 200 to 450 and features a LED indicator. This iron requires no station, with its plug-and-play capability. It is equipped with interheated ceramic technology which makes the soldering iron heat up very quickly. It also features upgraded heat-resistant steel pipe material and 4 ventilation holes to help it cool fast. The only downside was that some customers wished the carrying bag was a bit sturdier. And coming in at number 1 of our list. Weller WLC 140-watt soldering station. If you're looking for a reliable soldering iron that gives you versatility and convenience, then this is it. The Weller soldering iron is a product that will surely satisfy any beginner or expert solderer with its great features. The soldering iron features a variable power control that produces 5 to 40 watts of heating power. You can adjust the wattage levels with just a simple turn of the knob on the base unit. This feature lets you choose the correct setting in regards to the job that you need to tackle. More than that, the soldering iron is equipped with an iron-plated copper tip, safety guard iron holder, and a natural sponge tip cleaning pad. For more information, check out the description underneath the video.
Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.